Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a big update on the project. This last week I had to travel for business, and unfortunately I could not be here while they were doing 99% of the work. So I'm seeing this here for just about the first time, and I'm going to walk through it and you're going to join me. So thanks for joining, and let's go. So that's great. We got a great step put in, a nice wood step. That was part of the original plan. That's going to be morphed into a little bit of a deck. But right now, that's what we're going to be using for the project, and it looks pretty good to me. So let's just walk around the room here and see what we have. Okay, so all the walls are in. We're all closed in all the way around. The windows are all framed in. Just waiting for the inserts, the glass inserts to come in. These windows here on the back side of the project are going to be casement windows that crank out. And that window over there is going to be a bay window made up of 3 casement windows that crank out also. The roof joists are in, so obviously all the bracing that you saw in the last video is gone because the roof joists are holding the house together. And here is that beam that I pointed out in the last video. You can see it's a laminated beam. It's two pieces of LVM with a steel plate between it, and it spans 14 foot, plus the 2x4s across the whole building. And that beam actually holds the whole weight of the roof, and everything that goes with it is supported basically by that beam. Right here we have a temporary wall, and that wall will come out, and that will be the main entrance to my family room / dining room, and that's a 12-foot wide opening there from stud to stud. Right here, if you remember in one of the last videos, I showed you where the doorway will be. Now all the sheeting is off and everything is exposed. So what we have here is directly in front of me are the vent risers for the sink, and right behind that wall is the sink. But that's all going to be removed, and that is going to be the new doorway to the dining room and lead straight out to the front door. So obviously there was a ton of work done over the past week. I missed it all. I have some video of the roofers, which I'll put in here, and you can take a look at what they did. They did not put the permanent roof on yet. They just put the ice shield on, and this roof will have ice shield over the entire roof because it's basically a shed roof and it's relatively flat. That hopefully will keep the building waterproof until the shingles can go on, and that would be the final roof that goes on. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm hoping you're enjoying following this project along with us. There's a ton of work done. You can see behind me all the roof rafters. So we're getting there. The project hopefully will continue on schedule, and we'll keep you updated on all the changes that go on. So thanks a lot. Thanks for tuning in. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, subscribe. Thank you. Take care.